안녕하세요 친구들, Jham입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did my cookie inspired nail art. I chose a bright yellow for my base. I'm using a white acrylic paint and a nail art brush to paint Cooky. I'm starting off with Cooky's face. Then Cooky's ears. After letting that layer to dry, I'm applying another. Then I'm painting it with a rose pink kind of shade. And I thought that shade is kind of dark, so I'm painting it with a lighter version. Then I am applying another layer. Then the outline. Now let's paint Cooky's facial features. Let that to dry completely and apply a layer of your favorite top coat. And as for my other nails, I'm doing a dry brush design with pink, white, black, and candy pink. After all of that, apply a layer of top coat. And that's how I did my BT21 Cooky inspired nail art. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome chingus, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more updates. 그게 오늘이야 여러분. 비디오 봐주셔서 감사합니다. 다음 비디오에서 만나요. 안녕!